Okay, welcome to Coronavirus Tin Can Shabby to Chic 4th of July Floral Arrangement Part 2. If you notice, remember like yesterday morning, this was an old Christmas cookie can? Now it's got holes punched in the bottom and a nifty red, white, and blue painted striped paint job. I didn't do the paint job freehand. I used masking tape. Basically what I did was I painted everything base white, 2 coats, let it dry really good first, like this one. Then I used the masking tape and put strips all the way around, as you note here, and painted red over it and then blue on the top. And now I'm going to remove the last strip of masking tape from this one, and we now have a completed Patriotic pail, perfect for planting. I've got 3 cans finished now and a couple of midway because, just the red and white, it looks pretty good, but it also looks like an ice cream parlor, or rather weirdly, like an Italian Navy ship of World War II back when they were part of the Axis powers, because apparently the Italian Navy, unlike most military navies, they didn't go in for camouflage paint on their ships because, unfortunately, the Italian Air Force had a bad habit of bombing the Italian Navy, so they painted their strips red and white in the desperate hopes that the Italian Air Force wouldn't accidentally bomb them, which is sad and tragic and kind of pathetic. But, personally, I think the stripy paint job works pretty good. Masking tape is your friend. Remember, wait until the paint is totally dry before you put the masking tape on, because if you don't, you'll end up with an accident like this one, where I had it all nicely done. I put the masking tape on to do a stripy job, and then the masking tape peeled off my paint job and revealed the kind of horrible Christmas pattern underneath. But I'm going to fix that, and I'm going to be honest about my failures too, because, I'm not, one of those perfect people on television where, everything always turns out well and they always have a team of 300 people in the background to fix things. I'm just me, and I'm doing 8 4th of July themed floral decors with, old cans, paint, and a roll of masking tape and a couple of cheap paintbrushes. So, see you later.